Now let us how these three bodies meet with each other, how they cannot even say meet, they collide on each other. They disturb the other bodies. They disturb the other bodies and how to heal them or how to use them properly. The physical body is the body which you are using now. The physical body is the boundary which is almost under your control. Almost this boundary is under your control. You can move, you can use, you can walk with it or sit, you can do whatever you want with this boundary, the physical body. The next, the another body which we call subtle body, the dream state. In the dream state which you use, that body is filled with thoughts. That body is filled with the desires and fears. Whatever desires you have suppressed, whatever fear you have suppressed, all those things are in that body. The third is causal body, a deep feeling of blankness, or we can say tamas, the feeling which needs to be understood in a little subtle way. You can say this space as a space of tamas, inertia, a total silence. How these other two bodies interfere with our body, into the physical body, and how it creates trouble. Whenever the subtle body enters into your physical body without your permission, without you allowing it, when it automatically enters, it never allows your being to rest in your body. If you see your life, if you scan your life, early morning when you are in the house, your mind will be in the office doing something. When you go, the moment you reach the office, it will start doing something in the evening beach. You will be just waiting. When the time will be over, you can go to the beach. The moment you are at the beach, again your mind will say, when we will go back to house. When you are back to home again mind will start thinking of next day morning. Wherever you are, you can be sure you are not there. If you are at the office, you are not there. If you are in the house, you are not there. If you are at the back, in the beach, you are not there. The subtle body filled with the thoughts and fears, if it enters into your physical body, it disturbs your consciousness staying in one place. If your body is here, you can be sure you are somewhere else. It is continuously restlessness and stress. All your so-called tension, so-called stress is nothing but unnecessary interference of the subtle body. The subtle body occupies you too much. You will never stay where your body is. If your body is here, you will be somewhere else. The next problem is unnecessary interference of causal body into the physical body. If your causal body enters into your physical body, that is what creates a chronic fatigue. Too much of tiredness, continuously sleeping, the tamas, inert feeling, depression, all disease related to low energy, the tamas, the manta state is related to the causal body. If the causal body enters too much into physical body, you feel continuously depressed, low, dull, and continuously in the negative state. Understand this two things. If your subtle body, if your dream body, subtle body enters into your physical body unnecessarily, you will not be able to rest in your body. Continuously you will be restless. stressed, continuously disturbed. If the causal body enters into your body, physical body, you will feel lethargic, continuously feeling like sleeping, depressed, and low mood, not feeling like doing anything. The creativity, the enthusiasm will not be there. The dullness is the result of causal body entering into the physical body. So these two bodies, when they enter unnecessarily into the physical body, they create stress and lethargic feeling, restlessness or deep depression. These two are the major problems in our day-to-day life. Of course, the restlessness creates its own diseases. BP, sugar, so many psychosomatic diseases are created by restlessness. On the other side, the causal body creates enough of mental struggles, depression, lethargic feeling, not feeling like doing anything, feeling like always resting, feeling depressed, continuously in the mood of crying. Many mental diseases, psychological disorders are there. Disorders happen because the causal body enters into the physical body. Many physical disorders, the stress, BP, sugar, wheezing, all these things happen because of the subtle body entering into the physical body. So your physical health and mental health is basically based upon these three bodies. How you handle them, how they handle each other. That is a basic thing based on which your health, physical health and mental health are based. Now I want all of you to understand these few ideas. Only then you will be able to enter into the next level. Any of you have got any doubt, please raise your question. After answering the questions, we will go for the next session. This is the basic introduction you need to understand.
Okay, what she wants to know is she can understand physical and mental. She is not able to understand the causal body.
Causal body is a total blankness. You don't actually work in causal body. You don't have two different things in physical body. You know the body and you can work. There are two things, body and experiencer. In the subtle body also, there are two things. You at least experience that body. Something is moving, something is different. But in the causal body, nothing is moving. It's a total blankness. That is the reason you are not able to conceive it. You are not able to understand it. It's a state of energy in which there is no movement. You rest and you rejuvenate yourself. So, intellectually or logically you cannot understand the causal body. Logically there is no way of explaining it. I can say only one thing. In the deep sleep, what you experience, the deep sleep state, that is what is our causal body. Yes. Without dreams and without movement, what you experience is causal body.
Subtle and causal body is simultaneously influencing the physical body.
Yes, they do simultaneously influence. If one does not influence, means the one body is under your control. Understand one thing? If you say, for example, the subtle body is not influencing you, means the subtle body is under your control. If subtle body is under your control, naturally you know the technique of keeping the causal body under your control. Either both are under your control or both are disturbing you. It always happens. If you are stressed, if you are tense, naturally you will see, you will be lethargic. Both are not the same.
If you don't think of the future and what you do next in this place, then there will be lethargy.
Okay. Chronological plan is perfectly alright. By chronological planning, you will never feel tired, you will never feel you are sucked, you will never feel you are disturbed. For example, you know after this class, you will have to go down, you will catch a taxi, go back to your house and do your next routine. This is not going to disturb you. But unnecessary thoughts associated with this routine. Oh, will I get a taxi? Will the taxi wala cheat me? Or will I get into an accident? Will I reach my house at all properly? After going to my house, will I have a problem in my house? Unnecessary brooding over. Unnecessary thinking. The psychological worrying is different. Chronological planning is different now. In chronological planning, you never feel you are sad, you are stressed, you are disturbed. Chronological planning happens automatically, but only psychological planning disturbs you. In most of our case, we mingle psychological planning and chronological planning. We mingle psychological planning and chronological worrying. Psychological planning is necessary, but chronological planning is necessary, but psychological worrying is not necessary. Stress and psychological worrying is not basically necessary. You create it. Yes.
In that case, meditation, it is knowingly to control ourselves.
Meditation is?
Knowingly control ourselves.
Meditation is the technique to handle all these three bodies. In meditation, the restlessness of your subtle body and the lethargic depression of the causal body, both are handled properly and both can be used properly. Once you know how to use the subtle body, the tremendous energy of the subtle body can become energy to support you. The tremendous calmness of the causal body can become a place where you can rest and rejuvenate yourself. That is the reason that both bodies are created. The subtle body is created to give you energy to move. Energy for the motion is what? Emotion. Energy for the motion to happen. The energy will be supplied from the subtle body. And the causal body is the resting space where you can rest and rejuvenate yourself. Causal body is like home, mother's home, where you can rest and create your body newly again, come back and live. So meditation is a technique to handle these three bodies separately and to have the maximum out of these three bodies. To have the maximum benefits of these three bodies. That's what we call meditation. Any other question? Yes.
You said that people who are, because of body system, they are highly lethargic people. But we see that people who are great workaholics, they are highly disturbed people. But then how do we get this tremendous?
One thing. The workaholics you can see always lethargic person. If you see little bit, if you go near them, you will understand the workaholics so much mentally they will be doing, but physically even a small discomfort they cannot understand. They cannot take it up. They will be having so much of lethargy and laziness inside them. They will be workaholic only mentally. Only mentally they will be workaholic. And most of them they will be shouting and they will be restless. They will just show they are workaholic. But if it comes to the reality, if it comes to their life, you will see they will have enough of laziness and lethargic feeling. A continuous lethargy will be there inside them, and the workaholicness itself is nothing but the expression of restless state. When you are restlessness, naturally your mind needs some space where it will totally rest, where it needs a total rest. One more problem. When the physical body is unnecessarily interfered by the mental body, that's when the stress happens. When the stress happens, when the too much of restlessness happens, naturally you will see the causal body also will be disturbed. The deep sleep body also, deep sleep state also will be disturbed. And their quality of sleep will not be deep. When the quality of sleep is not deep, the quantity of sleep will increase. When the quality is reduced, naturally quantity has to increase. You will see 12 hours, 14 hours they will be rolling on the bed, but they will not be sleeping. They will roll on the bed, but they will not sleep. That is the state I call the lethargy. Chronic tiredness, chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue is the byproduct of restlessness. The restless people you can see always they will have the tiredness in the body. In the mind they will have vigor. They will be shouting at everyone, jumping here, there. But in the body, if you see, they will have a deep chronic fatigue. Okay. Now the question. Nitin has got some question.
Actually, I want to know how you answer which state of body are there.
Which state of body?
Yeah,
As on now, we are in the mess. As on now, we are in the mess. We don't have separate state. All the three are put together. Sometimes suddenly the subtle body starts working. Your physical body is here, but subtle body starts working. You are in daydream state. Sometimes suddenly the causal body takes over. How much you try to listen to the discourse, again and again you are not yawning. Again and again you are falling asleep. So as on now, you are not in any state, you are simply mess. All the three, anytime anybody walks into you and goes out. You have no boundary, you have no security. Anytime anybody walks in and anybody walks out. That is the reason, especially the people who are in the corporate circle. Sometimes they take very wrong decision or worse decision, knowingly, but no other way, because the causal body is there, they are feeling like sleeping. Their attention is not there. Their mind is filled with restlessness. They are filled with insecurity. Just because of small insecurity thoughts, they take major decisions in a wrong way. And just because they are feeling sleepy, they are depressed, their mood is not alright. You can see many contracts failing, many wrong decisions, wrong movements. As on now, you are in mess. They are not in any particular state. Anytime causal body enters you and leaves you. Anytime subtle body walks in and says hi and says bye. So you are not in any state. A little bit of meditation can give you the clear feeling of boundary and security. When which body should be chosen, in which state, in what time you are supposed to enter into which body will be more clear.